Hi vintage bakers! Today I'm in the kitchen making coconut macaroons. These sweet and tender toasty coconut cookies are made with only a handful of ingredients. These simple little cookies often make appearances at Passover or in Christmas cookie tins. Transform them with chocolate, mix in dried fruit or nuts to add a little something special. These are great little cookies to make ahead and store for later, and they're gluten-free. So let's get into the kitchen. This is how I make coconut macaroons. The first thing I'm going to need for this recipe is, of course, the coconut. I'm using 3 bags of unsweetened shredded coconut, or 600 grams. To the coconut, I'm going to add 1 can of sweetened condensed milk and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. I'm going to mix this until everything is well combined. And make sure you pick a bigger bowl than I have here because it'll make mixing so much easier. These 3 ingredients is really all you need to make this classic bite-sized snack. However, there are a few variations that you may want to try. One of the most popular variation is chocolate macaroons. Of course, because everything is better with chocolate. To this same recipe, add 8 squares of unsweetened baker's chocolate already melted. Mix this into the coconut mixture until everything is evenly incorporated. You can also treat these like any other cookie and add in things like chocolate chips, finely chopped nuts, and dried fruit. Once mixed, the cookies can be dropped in little spoonfuls onto a lined baking sheet and baked in a 325 degrees Fahrenheit or 160 degrees Celsius oven for 12 to 15 minutes, or until the outside is lightly toasted. Allow them to cool for a few minutes on the tray to set, and then move them to a wire rack to cool completely. If you want to make your already baked cookies a little extra special, melt a little bit of chocolate to dip or drizzle on the cookies. I've just placed some chocolate chips in a sealed piping bag, and I'm going to drop it in hot water to melt the chocolate. If you don't have a piping bag, no problem. You can do the same thing by snipping off the corner of a plastic sandwich bag, or make a little funnel-shaped piping bag out of parchment paper. Easier still, melt the chocolate in a little bowl and dip the bottom of each cookie in the chocolate. Set the decorated cookies aside to allow the chocolate to cool and set. Then the cookies are ready to serve right away. Enjoy! If you're a fan of deliciously simple vintage recipes and old-fashioned skills, then you'll want to check out this next video. Thanks for stopping by.